Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, what we learn is of how to use Latex and how to download it and start a program in Latex. So now let's start. So you all know that we have word processor, MS word processor. So that is for a typesetting program, and here Latex is also a typesetting program. So why we need a two program? Am I right? Why we should use a simple word processor? Why we need another program? So the answer lies in the motivation behind Latex. Now what is that? Tech is so beautiful that it is a typeset technical document, especially those containing a lot of mathematics. So this program is specified for mathematics, where mathematics symbol is very difficult to implement in MS Word. So Donald Knuth has produced this program in order to make mathematician simple to understand. So now let's begin. Okay, so in order to install Latex, you just go to mtech.org site, and here you can see the download button. Click the download button, and then you can have for Windows, for Mac, for Linux, and just click the download and automatically it will be downloaded. I have already downloaded, so now just get started in it. So this is our text maker. Now this is our source file, and this will be our output. Now let us begin our first document. So just click file, new file, and now my source file has been opened. Now just I need to give some codes into it, and that is what I am doing. Cool. Now you can see that I have started with slash document class article slash begin document and slash end document. You can see every software has some codes like this. So these codes are used to begin some article, or if you're using a book, if you want to write something in form of a book, then you can just change this article to book. Otherwise mine is an article, so I just give an article for it. Now after giving slash document class article, you'll go for slash begin document. So these are the compulsory codes in Latex. So in order to run this code, first you have to save the file. So I'm going to save it. Now I'm saying it as my new file and save. Now it has been saved. Now just we can run it. So yeah, this is my first document prepared in Latex. I have successfully run it. So this article is printed. Now as you can see, I just give a command that slash m. What that means is, if you want to print a word in italics, you will give the command slash m. So the specialization in the words about that I will just give in my later courses, and first we can just introduce into this. So we can look at this. So in Latex, backslash means we are giving a command. So slash m means there is a command, slash Latex means there is a command. That's why it is print in first in italic and Latex is print like this. So this will be our first document. Now just let us begin into a little more how to write some codes, some mathematical symbols in Latex. Let us begin. Now if you want to start a new paragraph, what you have to do is just give some space, and if you give some space like this, it will start with a new paragraph. Just give a single blank space is enough. So I have created a single blank space, and it will go for next paragraph. Here why it is not showing is that because we have only a single line. If we go have a numerous line, it can create a numerous paragraph. Now next is that, see this, these automatically LaTeX use indentation, that is it will correctly align, there will be a left alignment. So if I don't want that indentation, I will just give a command at the beginning as slash no intent. Now what this will be produced is that, you can see here my indentation is just got cancelled. I have no indent at present. Now we can go for another, that is, yeah, full stop. About full stop, you have to be very careful when you're writing full stop in LaTeX. Now why is it that? The problem is that whenever the LaTeX automatically detects a full stop, whenever the full stop is preceded by a small cap, a small letter, if you write a small a, automatically the full stop, there will be no problem in full stop. But what happens if it is capital letter? There's a problem is that the space get reduced. That is the only problem. So your spaces will be get reduced, but I need more space, because this, after a full stop we give some space and start the next line. So in order for that, I'll give another command, that is slash at full stop. Now what this will produce, an extra space, you can see it, some extra space is produced. And for neatness we are using all these command. LaTeX is mainly because of to produce a neat article, a neat book. Okay, now we can go for another program. So here you can see that my full stop, this is also regarding a full stop. So in this full stop, you can see this full stop means not the end of that sentence. Am I right? It's given for extra. So here what will produce, there will be no space. So I need some more space, because that is not a full stop. So I give a backslash. This is known as backslash. Okay, so this backslash is the main thing that we use for command. So here you can see that there is an extra space is produced. Now let us move on to next, that is, yeah, here when you're giving a command, see slash LaTeX and you go for each one. But when you give in the output, you can see in the output there is no space after LaTeX. Am I right? So I need a space, so I just keep a backslash here also. Next, there will be the space is produced. Now what happened? Because slash LaTeX is a command, so after command the text automatically reduces that space. That's why there was no space earlier, and when you give a backslash, a space is produced. Now if your keyboard does not have left quote and right quote, you can easily implement it in LaTeX using slash LQ and slash RQ. So slash LQ for left quote single quote, slash double time LQ is for double time quote, double quotes. Okay, so here quote is produced. Otherwise, if you have single quotes and double quotes in your keyboard, you can use that in the source file, even it will produce. If not, you can use slash LQ or slash RQ. Okay, now next, for dashes, sorry, for dashes also the program is just give dashes, and based on the how many dashes you give, the length is determined. See here I give one single dash, a single dash is produced. Now I need little more length, so I give 2 double dash, 3 double dash, a little more length. That way the length will be increased. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe for more videos. In the next coming video, what we are doing is we will start into a little more deeper into latex, and we will use mathematical symbols and use the basic fonts and bolds, letter, everything about how to create a paragraph, how to write a paragraph, how to use mathematical symbols, all will be shown in the coming videos. And thank you.